So, hello guys, this is Mary. Ayan. So, done jogging. So, mamaya ko na siguro gawin yung about sa retrogrades. Oh, satisfying guys. Mag-exercise tayo. We really need that. Pero, ayan. Sige, gawin ko na yung sa Pluto. So, si Pluto retrograde ay nagsimulang mag-retrograde noong May 2, 2024. So, until October 11 yan siya guys. Pero hindi lang sa hindi lang sa kung kailan siya nag-retrograde, may pre-retrograde pa, which is nagsimula siya noong April 20, 2024 at yan, maglala siya ng post-retrograde to October 23, 2024. So lahat ng yan, Pluto retrograding in the sign of Aquarius is siya, wait, hiningal mo ako. It's all about power, death and rebirth, which is power struggles at saka may jealousy. So in the end of that, you will be assessing and addressing that things or mga bagay-bagay or opportunity na dapat simulan at let go na. Kasi kailangan na siyang i-unload yung mga baggages na yan. So we need to unload the baggages. So may mga tao, bagay or opportunity na kailangan mo nang iwan at i-embrace yung bagong mga opportunities kasi kailangan siya. So it will be very long, sudden transformation kasi siya, to the point na grabe yung pagdadaan. As in, hindi madali kasi may mga bagay na unexpected mong gawin, tapos akala mo ayun na, maglalas na siya, pero ang mangyayari doon, parang biglaan siyang mawawala or biglaan mo siyang bibitawan for a sudden transformation. And yan, kailangan mo kasi to siya, i-upgrade yung sarili mo, i-level up. So kahit napaka-importanting taong to, opportunity na to, work na to, and whatsoever, it will be masakit na iwan, pero kailangang iwan at bitawan. So assess it. It will be very mabagal. Pati na pera magiging mabagal. So patience. It's all about patience guys. And yun yung ituturo. So I hope mas ma-expand ko po tong sinasabi ko. Pero grabe talaga yung transformation pag si Pluto in Aquarius na. As a Saturn 8-houser Aquarius, ayan, at 8th house is the ang tawag doon, nirurule siya ni Pluto na planet. So it's a really death and rebirth. So ayan, pray, magdasal kayo lagi, kausapin nyo lagi yung Diyos. Huwag kayo basta-basta maniwala sa mga nakikita nyong videos or whatsoever. Paniwalaan nyo yung intuition nyo, kasi yun yung pinaka best friend nyo. So kung sino man yung magme-message nyo na i-read kayo on whatsoever, assess it energetically, frequency and vibration. Magmamatter yan lahat guys, hindi lang dahil gusto niyang tumulong, pero bago ka magtiwala, mag-research ka muna, makiramdam ka, kasi Maraming tao ngayon na basta-basta na lang nagbebenta ng products. Pero hindi naman lahat, ha. Basta makiramdam lang kayo. Then, matuto kayong magbasa ng sarili niyong chart. At saka, ano pa ba? Hindi ako makapokus. Basta guys, as nag-undergo ng Saturn return and in the sign of Aquarius in the 8th house, hindi talaga madali yung transformation ni Pluto. Pinakamabagal na planet na nagmo-move in transit, at nasa sign pa siya ni Aquarius, which is si Aquarius is an air sign. So air sign is ayaw nilang mabagal, ayaw nila yung walang point kausap. Ayun, ayaw nila yung boring. So they are very imaginative and whatsoever. Matatalinong tao to or behavior to, kaya they are impatient. So parang hangin lang yan. Minsan okay yung hangin, minsan super lakas kasi it really needs transformation, and kailangan natin yun lahat pagdaanan. At saka ano pa ba, kapit. Magtiwala kayo palagi sa Diyos, humingi kayo ng guidance, magdasal kayo. Yan lang yung pinaka maa-advise at mabibigay kong tips sa inyo. So pray and do good always. Magsimula kayong gumawa ng tama, kahit ilagay man natin na marami kayong pagkakamali or whatsoever. You see yourself as a mess, but it doesn't matter. As long as you move and start to do it right and maintain and sustain it. Tas magdasal ka lang. Walang ibang makakapag-judge sa'yo. Sino man yung taong magsasalita about you. It's not you, it's them. Basta pray ka lang. Magdasal ka palagi. Ano pa ba? Yung pinaka-point, bakit ko gumagawa ng video, at least in my own experience I share, and at least hindi man ito pananakot, but it's it's advanced information that it will be maybe very hard. Hindi naman kasi the same ang level of adjustment ng bawat tao. May iba na mahihirapan at they take it emotionally, but you will really feel stagnant now kasi yan yung transit ni Pluto. Very mabagal, at saka mas magiging mabagal yan guys kung magpo-focus kayo dun sa pain at saka sa struggles na meron kayo. So kailangan magdasal ka lagi, at saka trust in God with all your faith, kasi yan lang yung tangi mong panangga sa lahat. So again, pagka basta-basta maniwala sa kahit sino man, ikaw yung mag-aral ng chart mo. And ayun guys, it really matters on how you paano mo tinitingnan yung situation mo. So mas mabuti kung tingnan mo yung situation mo as a big picture, at tingnan mo kung ano yung lesson na tinuturo niya, at continue to move and enjoy life, because that is life. And ano pa ba? Trust God with all the process. Ayun lang. Thank you so much. Medyo magulo, no? Pero sige lang. Babawi ako sa Saturn retrograde. So, pray. It's all about patience, your power, money. So, madaming scam. So, wag maniniwala agad. Kasi magiging parang tayo dyan. So, be